Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. So this video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that my notification will get you first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the first picture, you can see the white color wall, you can see beautiful wall and all good decoration and design, the wooden color bed and all, and the mirror is there, beautiful mirror, window with window room. So also you can see the wall decoration, very beautiful decoration and all, good decoration, looking very beautiful. The wall, you can see the lines, lights. This one also very beautiful. You can see the side, the black lights, black color wall. You can see the decoration is very beautiful decoration they did, very beautiful decoration. And so also you can see very beautiful. You can see the side mirror, you can see the middle, you can see the roof, you can see the lights, the lamps. This one you can see the full, you can see the black color wall and all, beautiful wall, good walls, looking very beautiful, very good. This one you can see very beautiful black color bed and white color bed, beautiful bed, and the floor, you can see beautiful floor and all, looking very good design decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see beautiful, the lights, the writings. This one also you can see very good, very nice. You can see this, the floor, you can see black color wall, black color theme, and looking very good. This one also looking very good. You can see the wall, you can see black color, the bed you can see, and the table and all, everything is very beautiful, very good, looking very good. Also the black color wall, the table, the cupboards and all, beautiful cupboards and all. This one is in green color. The up, you can see the golden color lamp and all, very beautiful lamp, good looking lamp. The mirror, the window, it is there, very beautiful, very beautiful place, very good. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the lines on the roof, you can see beautiful lines and all, good looking, very beautiful, looking very attractive, very nice, very good. Also this also you can see very beautiful. The bed, you can see in the wall, you can see white color wall and all, beautiful wall, looking very good was. This one also you can see very beautiful, the white color wall, and the photo frames are there, beautiful photo frames are there, and the window is there, beautiful window. It's also very beautiful. You can see the black color bed and all, black color bed, wall, lamps, everything is very beautiful. It's also everything is in white theme, beautiful white theme, looking very good, very nice, very attractive, very good. Also this also you can see blue color cupboard and all, beautiful cupboard, looking very expensive looking, very good also. So it's also very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so my notification will get you first. So don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.